Hi, folks. Will from MinIO here. Welcome to the MinIO podcast. For those of you joining us for the first time, MinIO is pioneering high-performance object storage for AI/ML and modern data lake workloads. We are software-defined, we are Amazon S3 compatible, and we are used by more than half of the Fortune 500. We've got over 1.5 billion Docker downloads, which makes MinIO the fastest growing cloud object storage company in the world, and we are consistently ranked by industry analysts as a leader in object storage. And I'm joined on the podcast today by Anas. Anas, can you introduce yourself?
Hi, Will. My name is Anas Al-Marabha. I am a cloud and infrastructure architect in my organization.
Fantastic. So you're cloud infrastructure architect there. What makes the company that you work for kind of unique in the industry when it comes to using MinIO object storage?
Yes, my organization, mainly in digital transformation, they have multiple initiatives in the sector and are highly innovative, focusing on integrating AI and modernizing infrastructure technology to enhance business delivery process over the national scale.
Oh, wow. Fantastic. So can you share a few details with us? What were the requirements that you had when you were looking into various object storage solutions?
Requirements, the primary requirements when we are selecting MinIO object storage,
Mhm.
we are looking for S3 compatibility, high performance solution, cost efficiency, and scalable foundation, mainly in the AI and machine learning workloads. Finding a solution similar to CDN for website static contents, also supporting active setup to satisfy business continuity with zero RBO and RTO.
Wow, that's a lot, and it's fortunate that MinIO covers all of that stuff. I particularly noticed you called up the active replication stuff. That's a fantastic aspect of using MinIO that allows us to have that business continuity if a site goes down or something along those lines. Did you consider any other object storage vendors when you were looking at us?
Yes, we consider other vendors, for example, Nutanix and NetApp were considered, but for the MinIO was chosen for its seamless integration with existing infrastructure
Ah.
and for the better performance metrics and greater flexibility in artificial intelligence and machine learning environments.
Oh, fantastic. So, like that S3 compatibility was a very important feature for you because it allowed you to better integrate with what was already there. That's fantastic. Can you discuss a little bit about your object storage implementation?
Yes, for the implementation, it was straightforward and exceed our expectations. How that done? We implement MinIO in two environments and we compare between it. For example, we implement as VM based and we implement as a container based. Okay,
Hmm.
and we choose a container based to support a multi tenants and scalable within a second. Also, it's integrated smoothly with our organization, modernized infrastructure, and providing immediate performance benefits.
Oh, fantastic. So you mentioned tenants there. So you're obviously deploying through containers using Kubernetes.
Yes, through our Kubernetes, and we use MinIO operator.
That's great. MinIO Operator is actually a very powerful tool that allows us to deploy that scalability to be able to scale up, scale down the number of tenants that we need to have to support our object storage goals. So, what data or applications are utilizing your MinIO infrastructure that would require that kind of scalability?
Yeah, for now we are utilizing MinIO for AI-driven application, data lake to store user information, and machine learning models for personalized business are utilized through MinIO. Also, for the application static contents used in our website, and the last one for the application attachments are mainly in the service desk and data extraction.
Oh, so you're using it as part of your service desk as well.
Yeah.
That's incredible. So it's really a part of a lot of different things there. You've got your AI, you've got your ML, you've got some user data that you're storing, you've got all of this service desk information as well. So it's kind of backing up a lot of your systems. Can you share any results or outcomes of that ability to share it out?
Yes, the main outcome was a 40% improvement in the application performance, resulting in faster data processing and execution, and saving 30% of storage capacity of application files and database capacity and computing capacity.
Wow. So you've actually had a cost savings, you've had cost reductions, you've had this increased in speed as well. So that's just fantastic stuff. Any other benefits you've realized about scalability?
Yes, it may improve the scalability to handling growing data volumes. Also a significant cost reduction and an overall more efficient infrastructure that better support AI initiatives.
That's fantastic. You mentioned the scalability there as well and the amount of data that you're using. Can you give us maybe a hint as to how much data you're actually dealing with in MinIO, just as a round number?
It's around 10 terabytes.
10 terabytes of data. That's fantastic.
Yeah, and yearly there's a growth around 2% yearly growth.
2% yearly growth over that. So you're actually going to be adding more and more capacity to this MinIO deployment, is what I'm hearing.
Yeah.
Is that maybe over the next 6 to 9 months? Is that what we're looking at, or you said yearly? So, what are the specific objectives that you're hoping to accomplish with this over the next year?
Organization plan to further expand in AI capability, also exploring advancement in predictive analytics and personalized services using MinIO as the foundation for future innovations. Also supporting for our cloud transformation to make all our workload over the cloud with the modernized application as a microservices, also as artificial intelligence.
Wow. So you're doing a lot with AI, and MinIO is supporting that AI story for you, obviously. Anything else around what's coming next for your object storage, your technology advancements at your organization that you can share with us?
Yes, for now, there is a plan for data lake and data science.
Wow.
There is multiple project in this one, and MinIO considered as the leader in this initiative to be part from our data lake and data science project.
Wow. So we're going to be backing up the data lake as well. That's incredible. So you've got all this data, you've got it coming in from all these different sources. You've got 10 terabytes growing at 2% a year. I'm super happy that MinIO is supporting all of this. How many people are required to support this massive amount of data?
Now, the team that managing this one and handling MinIO, it's around 5 employees.
5 employees, 5 full-time employees able to manage that amount of data. That's incredible. That is an incredible return on investment as well, I would think. Is there any particular way that MinIO and object storage in general is helping your customers?
Yes, for the customer, we provide a service for our customers that anyone need to upload a files or share a files or share any documents, they can use our service, MinIO Object Storage Service, and they upload this documents on the portal and share this one even public or with the secure way for a limited time.
That's fantastic. So you're able to actually do like a file share, a document share, either public or private. So you have that ability from MinIO as well. Is there some measurement of that? That I don't know how many documents are being shared that you can share with us? Maybe that's not a lot there.
I can share approximate number. It's around 150 documents.
All right. So is that more of a newer feature that you've added in?
Again, please.
Oh, okay. Fantastic. Anas, thank you so much for sharing your experiences with MinIO with us. And those of you out there listening, I hope you've had similar positive experiences with MinIO as well. If you'd like to reach out with us, you can reach us with any of the methods you see here on the screen or just leave a comment here on the podcast. Thanks, folks, and we'll hope you'll join us for the next one.
Thank you. Well, thank you.